That's some serious rain, little hero.
Rain.
Rotate. That is some serious rain. You know what that means?
Rain, stop it.
Yeah, say stop it, rain.
Stop it. Rain. Rain, stop it.
Rain, knock it off.
Rain, knock it up.
Good job, hero. You know, the rain doesn't listen very well, though, huh?
The rain.
Oh. Maybe see something she wants, so she's thinking about crawling, but it's too close.
Here on the cream.
Yeah, she wants to play with the cream.
Baby, do drop the cream. Please.
Oh, she's got it. It's okay. She won't hurt it. She's just a little baby. Hey, Squall. I love you very much.
Is the rain?
That's the rain. Did you know I love you very much?
I love you too.
Thanks, son. Man, oh man, I bet the rivers are going to get really full, huh?
The rabbit. Rabbit food. The rabbit.
Let's put on our rain gear and go out and build some more dams today.
Down.
Do we love to build dams?
Down, down.
Can you just say dams, 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 dams? Eric likes that song.